In this video, you'll learn how to get through your inbox twice as fast and hit Inbox Zero. Inbox Zero is an email management technique that keeps your inbox nearly empty at all times. You're fastest when the only things in your inbox are for today. This creates a high-priority to-do list and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. To start, open the first email in your inbox and decide its priority. Is this for today, for a different day, or is no action needed? If you need to take action today, hit J to go down. This will keep the message in your inbox and move you to the next message. Maybe you're waiting on someone, or you need time to think of a response. Hit H to set a reminder. You can then just enter when you want to see the email again. Try phrases like 2 days, or Friday, or next week. The email will return to the top of your inbox at that time. If no action is needed from you, hit E to mark the message done. This will save the email and remove it from your inbox. By now, you're flying through your inbox, quickly triaging messages and transforming it into a priority to-do list. From here, you can take action, write your replies, and reach Inbox Zero. Messages marked as done can be found in your Done folder or with Search. These messages will also return to the top of your inbox when responded to. With just a few keyboard shortcuts, you can get through your inbox twice as fast. When you need to reply or act today, hit J to go down. When you can reply or act another day, hit H to set a reminder. When you don't need to do anything, hit E to mark the message done. And you're on your way to Inbox Zero. With that, you're ready to begin. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or feedback.